To demonstrate how to put on and take off sterile gloves. So first, before you even begin or touch the package, what you want to do is make sure your hands are properly washed and sanitized. And once they are, you can go ahead and pick up the package. What you're going to want to do is, there's directions here that says peel down to open. So you're going to go ahead and peel the first package open here. And of course, you're going to want to do this on a nice clean surface as well. Once you get the first package open, you want to slide the second package out and set this one off to the side. Now when opening the second package, it is important just to touch the outside of the package, okay? Because the inside of the package is touching the sterile gloves, so you don't want to contaminate the sterile gloves. So you're going to grab the outsides of the package. You're going to open it like so. Okay, now once you get it open, you'll see that the cuffs of the gloves are folded back on themselves to expose the inside of the gloves. So what you're going to do is, with your non-dominant hand, which is my left hand, I'm going to grab the right glove and I'm going to grab it on the inside of the cuff because it's folded back on itself like so. And it's important to grab it on the inside of the cuff here, because the outside is obviously the non-sterile part of the glove. So once you get that, you're going to slide your dominant hand in and then let go. And it's important to just touch that inside folded edge of the cuff the whole time. Now once you got the sterile glove on your dominant hand, what you're going to do is take that hand and you're going to go over to the left-handed glove or non-dominant glove, and you're going to slide 2 fingers underneath that cuff that's folded over, so that you have sterile glove touching sterile glove. If you touch the inside of the glove, then that's the non-sterile part, so you're going to contaminate the sterile glove that you already have on. It's also important to keep your thumb away so you're not tempted to use your thumb to touch the inside of the non-dominant glove. So once you have your fingers under there, you're going to lift it up, and then you're going to slide your fingers and thumb of the non-dominant hand, keeping those 2 fingers touching the outside of the glove. You're going to slide the glove all the way on and then pull the fingers out. And once you have your fingers out, you can go ahead and adjust the fingers as you need to, because it's just sterile glove touching sterile glove. So there you go, that's putting on the sterile gloves. So after you're done doing whatever you need to do with the sterile gloves on, taking the gloves off is exactly the same as taking off any pair of latex or plastic gloves. So what you're going to do is, with your one hand, you're going to grab the outside of the glove of the other hand, and you're going to slowly pull it off, allowing it to fold inside out. Once you get it off, you're going to ball the glove up in your hand like so. From here, you're going to take your other hand without the glove, and you're going to slide 2 fingers underneath the cuff of the glove that's still on. Once you get them on there, you're going to go ahead and allow that glove to slide off that hand, folding inside out, so that you're always touching the inside of the gloves. And then once you have that one, the balled up glove should be inside, and then you can properly dispose of the gloves.